Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow.
Happy birthday po. Ingat ka po palagi dyan. Miss ka na po namin.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jo. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. God bless you po. Lagi po God bless. Ingat po lagi, Ma'am.
Happy birthday, Teacher Jo. Happy birthday. Miss you na.
Sana okay pa kayo dyan.
Sana okay ka daw dyan. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Joanne. I wish you all the best. Huwag mong kakalimutan lagi magdasal. Ingat ka lagi dyan. And I miss you. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Joanne. Well, ingat ka palagi dyan. And huwag mong pababayaan sarili mo. At work lang para makaipon at madala mo na ang mga pamilya mo dyan. Tandaan mo lagi, mahal ka namin at pinagdadasal ka namin parate. Happy birthday! Bye! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Mimi. We miss you and ingat parate.
Hi, Joanne! Happy birthday! Kumusta ka na dyan?
Ayan, para ako naman naka-filtered. Hi sis, happy birthday! I hope na makuha mo na yung family mo and magkasama-sama na kayo. And ingat dyan, masarap malamig. Bye! Enjoy your day!
Bye! Happy birthday, Alet!
Happy birthday, best friend. 2 years na tayong walang kahit anong selebrasyon. Nakakamiss sobra. Sobra. Anyways, malayo ka man, tayo sa isa't isa. Parati ka naman nasa puso't isipan ko. Wish you all the best in life. Alam mo yan. Love you.
Hello, anak. Hello, Joanne. I love you, anak. Happy birthday. Lagi kitang namimiss. Matuwa ako sa mga ginawa mong at saka yung background ni Jeko, yung kanta niya. Lagi kong pinanood dyan, paulit-ulit. Totoo ako. Tsaka yung mga ginawa mong kay tatay mo. Pil na pil ko. Parang totoo, no, anak? I love you. Ingatan mo sa sarili mo.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, B!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
We miss you!
Miss you so much!
Hope to see you soon! We love you!
I love you a lot!
And mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. Miss na miss ka na namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. And be happy on your birthday.
Be happy always!
Justin. Say I love you, Mama.
I love you and I miss you!
That's the one.